REST versus gRPC, the ultimate API showdown. Which API style fits your needs? APIs are the backbone of modern software, connecting everything from mobile apps to cloud services. But when it comes to designing APIs, one debate reigns supreme: REST versus gRPC. Should you stick to the tried and true REST? Or is it time to embrace the blazing fast, modern gRPC? In today's video, we're breaking down the differences, use cases, and which one is right for your project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make the call and impress your team with your API design skills. Let's start with the classic REST. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. It's built on HTTP and uses standard methods like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. REST APIs are simple, stateless, and human-readable, making them the default choice for most web applications. But simplicity comes at a cost. REST can be slower and less efficient for high-performance, real-time applications. Now, let's talk about the challenger gRPC. Developed by Google, gRPC uses protocol buffers or protobuf for compact, efficient data serialization. It runs on HTTP2, enabling faster, multiplex communication. Plus, it supports bidirectional streaming, making it perfect for real-time use cases like chat apps and IoT systems. Think of gRPC as the Formula One race car of APIs. It's built for speed and precision. Here's how REST and gRPC stack up in key areas. 1. Performance. REST is slower due to larger payloads like JSON. gRPC, on the other hand, is faster thanks to compact protobuf and HTTP2. 2. Ease of use. REST is easy to implement and widely supported. gRPC requires learning protobuf, but offers better performance. 3. Cross-language support. REST works across any language with HTTP support. gRPC is also cross-language but requires protobuf libraries. 4. Streaming. REST is limited to single request/single response. gRPC supports real-time bidirectional streaming. So which one should you choose? Let's look at real-world examples. Use REST for standard web applications, mobile backends, or projects requiring simplicity and compatibility. Use gRPC for high-performance systems like microservices, real-time communication apps, or IoT networks. REST is like your dependable family car, easy to drive and maintain. gRPC is the sports car, fast, sleek, but needs a skilled driver. Both REST and gRPC have challenges. REST can struggle with performance at scale and isn't suited for real-time data. gRPC requires more setup and tooling, and debugging binary protobuf isn't as straightforward as JSON. Best practices use REST for public APIs and external integrations where simplicity is key. Use gRPC for internal microservices where performance is critical. Here's the golden rule. If you need speed, streaming, and efficiency, gRPC is your winner. If you want simplicity, compatibility, and easy adoption, stick with REST. And remember, you don't have to pick just one. Many systems use both, REST for external APIs and gRPC for internal microservices. The best API isn't about trends, it's about the right tool for the right job. To recap, REST is simple and versatile, but slower. gRPC is fast and efficient, but comes with a learning curve. Choose based on your use case. Don't force-fit your architecture. In our next video, we'll dive into protobuf versus JSON, the battle of data serialization. Don't miss it. If you're ready to build better, faster APIs and take your system design skills to the next level, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join me for the next episode. Because in the world of API design, the right choice can make all the difference. Subscribe to Hustler Coder. REST versus gRPC. Which API wins? New video every week.